Mega love shout out to everyone. This is Pinay Life USA. People are just as happy as they make up their minds to be. It is not what happens to you, but how you respond to what happens to you. Count your blessings while others are adding up their troubles. Happiness comes more easily when you feel good about yourself without feeling the need for anyone else's approval. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. The most important thing is to enjoy your life, to be happy. It's all that matters. Be nice to people on your way up because you might meet them again.